How to make money with builderall.
If you give me 30 seconds, I'm going to tell you how you can make money working as a leverage affiliate. So, ready? Okay, so all you have to do is click on the link below, watch the video. On this video, you're going to learn everything about the system. Then you can subscribe, connect your domain, select your hyperworking funnels, and promote the funnel. That's it. You can promote this funnel on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or any other social media. Every time that someone makes a purchase on your link, you're gonna make 100% commissions. And since what we are selling is services, people pay for this thing like every month, you're gonna make 100% commissions on the first payment and 30% commissions in every single month after that. That's the leverage affiliate system, but it's not it. Okay, it's 42 seconds. I'm sorry, I always do that.
How to make money with builderall.
Here's the thing. This is not just it. You have much more stuff on this system. We have a lot of surprises. If you want to know everything about the system, everything about the difference between leverage affiliate and how you can sell services online and make money every month, all you have to do is click on the link below and watch the video. On this presentation, we have all information that you need to take a decision and start making money today.
How to make money with builderall.